Have you ever heard someone tell a story so powerful you forgot you were even watching a video? It felt like they weren't just speaking to you, they were inside your head. You weren't just listening, you were feeling. That's the power of great storytelling, and today, you're going to learn how AI can help you master it. But here's the twist. The AI tool that makes this possible? Most people still don't even know it exists. We're not talking about ChatGPT or Midjourney. We're talking about a free AI tool so powerful. It can write, structure, and emotionally enhance your stories faster than most pros can. In fact, it might just be one of the 7 AI tools better than ChatGPT for content creation. And that's not all. We'll also reveal how AI engagement tools, AI content creation tools, and AI tools for educators are changing how we communicate forever. So, if you're a creator, teacher, marketer, or just someone who wants to be unforgettable when they speak, this is your edge. Let's dive in. Why stories work and why most people fail to tell them. Before we get into the AI side of things, let's clear something up. Most people think storytelling is about creativity or talent. But in truth, it's structure, it's psychology, it's rhythm. Stories stick because our brains are wired for them. Scientists call it neural coupling. When someone tells a great story, our brain activity starts to sync with theirs. It's how we connect, how we remember. But when stories go flat, when they lack tension, emotion, or clarity, they vanish from memory like smoke. And here's where most people fail. They don't know how to structure their stories. This is where AI storytelling tools step in and transform the game. The secret framework AI can help you master. There's one structure behind almost every great story. Setup, conflict, resolution. Simple? Yes. But also timeless. And AI is now trained to spot and shape that pattern for you. Tools like Scribble Diffusion, Pseudo-Write, and Jenny AI don't just rewrite or summarize your ideas. They guide your story's flow. They make sure your hook is sharp, your conflict builds, and your resolution lands with emotional impact. That's not just smart. That's insane AI tool level smart. And if you're an educator, this can be a game changer in classrooms too. With the right AI tools for teachers, students can practice storytelling and receive structured feedback instantly. No more blank stares or wasted writing time. Now imagine using this not just for school or speeches, but for social content, marketing, and even personal branding. Real tools, real use cases, real results. Let's get specific. 1. Pseudo-Write. A content creation AI built for fiction and storytelling. It can generate plot twists, improve character emotion, and restructure your paragraphs to hit harder. It's one of the most underrated AI tools out there, and perfect for long-form storytelling. 2. Talk to Transformer. While not new, it's still a clever way to play with short-form narrative. Great for building your hook or the start of a viral video script. 3. Tome AI. A powerful AI for visual storytelling presentations. This tool automatically turns your narrative into dynamic slides. Whether you're pitching an idea or teaching a class, this is one of the best AI tools for educators and marketers alike. 4. Lumen 5. This is one of the most advanced AI video tools for turning blog posts or ideas into stunning videos, complete with visuals, music, and animations. Perfect for creators who want to multiply their output without spending hours editing. 5. Copy.ai. Don't sleep on this one. It's excellent for marketing copy, yes, but it also gives you tone control and emotion analysis, which are vital for storytelling that actually moves people. These are just the tip of the iceberg, the danger no one talks about. Here's where things get serious. AI is incredible, but it also poses a hidden threat. Many of these tools are now generating stories at scale. But not all stories are true. Some are completely fabricated, emotionally manipulative without substance. This is where AI dangers they don't tell you come in. That's why AI error detection tools and AI misinformation detection tools are just as important as creation tools. Tools like GPT-0 and Hive Moderation help spot fake or biased AI-generated content before it spreads. Because here's the truth, a great story can spark change, but a false story can destroy reputations, mislead communities, or even shape elections. So, while we embrace this new power, we must also stay sharp. Use AI, but verify everything, protect your message, and make sure your story serves the truth. What makes a hook irresistible? Let's go back to storytelling now. The hook is the most important part. It's what decides whether people listen or scroll past you. Using AI engagement tools like Headlime or Jasper AI, you can generate 10 hook options in under 10 seconds. These tools analyze emotional pull, curiosity triggers, and audience targeting to help you craft something magnetic. For example, which sounds more powerful? Here's how I failed my first business. Versus the $80,000 mistake that almost made me give up everything. See the difference? Same story, totally different impact. Now, imagine combining those hooks with AI posting tools like Okoya or Predis.ai, which help you schedule and A/B test your hooks across platforms. That's a full-stack storytelling machine. Free AI tools that are surprisingly powerful. You don't have to spend a dime to get started. Here are some free AI tools you can start using right now. Notion AI. Great for planning story outlines, character arcs, and editing long scripts. Canva Magic Write, yes, Canva now has its own AI tool for content creation. Great for visuals plus storytelling. Pictory. One of the best free AI video tools that turns scripts into professional quality videos with just a few clicks. 11 Labs Free Voice Cloner. If you want your story narrated in your own voice, but more polished, this is the tool. These tools aren't just free, they're effective, fast, and constantly evolving. In fact, many of them are now listed as top AI tools for daily life and AI Tools 2025 predictions. Why teachers and marketers need these tools? If you're an educator, the power of these tools goes beyond grading or grammar checks. You can help students express themselves, organize thoughts, and build narratives that connect with others. Whether you're training future writers or just improving public speaking, these AI tools for teachers can transform your classroom. For marketers, it's about emotional resonance. Using AI tools for marketers like CopyMonkey or WriteSonic, you can refine your message based on buyer psychology and intent triggers. No more guesswork, just stories that convert. Bonus, the best website for free AI tools. If you're wondering where to find all these, check out futuretools.io. It's arguably the best website for free AI tools, constantly updated with new platforms for writing, video, visuals, coding, and more. You can sort by category, like storytelling, productivity, video editing, and even by pricing. It's a goldmine if you're trying to build your AI toolbox. What makes AI-generated stories stick? Let's close this with one advanced tip. AI can help generate your story, but it's up to you to make it real. That means share a real experience. Use emotion that you felt. And if this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite AI tool.